Your expert. Cool stuff unboxing.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another of my unboxing videos. Today we're gonna be checking out the Bullfrog by Outdoor Tech. So this one, they are making it a compact but powerful speaker that also works as a power bank. So perfect for camping because you can listen to music and also charge your devices. So this one, it's the Bullfrog Rugged Outdoor Wireless Speaker plus Power Bank. So this one, it's IPX4 water resistant. You get up to 12 hours of music time. You get a 4,000 milliamps power bank, wireless pairing for two devices. So if you get two Bullfrogs, you will be able to pair them together. It has a powerful sound with deep bass and has ruggedized design to live through anything. Attached strap for versatility. All right. So also has multiple modes, FM radio, TF card mode, and aux connection. All right, so you do get more than just a Bluetooth speaker. You also get a lot of different items and ways to actually play music. So we have wireless pairing. That means that we can connect two of them at the same time. This is pretty much the design of the Bullfrog. And over here, we can see that we have a 4,000 milliamps power bank, and we have a couple of different items there. All right, so with the box being inspected by us, we are going to open this up and show you what is inside the box before you buy it, so you can make an informed decision. All right, there you go. Okay, so we have part of the box here. The unit comes in a little white plastic baggie, which I'm gonna remove out of view. And here we have it. Here we have the Bullfrog. All right, so we have a strap, which is, I don't even know what kind of material is this. So it's rugged on the inside, but smooth on the outside. It has some flexibility, but I guess you can actually strap it to anything and just carry it that way. Have the controls on one side, Outdoor Tech on the other side of the speaker. And on the back, we have more speakers, and what I'm guessing is the connections here. All right, so we have USB-A connection to charge your devices, aux in, TF card, and USB-C in order to charge the unit. After we close this up to keep its waterproofness, we can see the unit itself. In the box as well, let me see if we have any secrets in here. All right, yes we do, yes we do. All right, so we have the user manual and a USB. Okay, so we have the aux cord in this one, and we have the power cord, which is USB-A to USB-C. So you get everything that you need in order to work with the unit, and here we have it. So if you guys like, I'm going to get another smartphone or my tablet, and I'm gonna play some music. Keep in mind that I'm recording with headphones, so the audio might not be as great as you will actually get it in real life. But anyway, I will try to give you a little bit of a sweet taste of the Bullfrog before we move forward with the video. So I'll be right back with you. All right, guys, so I connected the Bullfrog to another smartphone. I'm gonna play some royalty-free music for you, YouTube, so that way you don't take my video down. And I'm just gonna blast it so you guys can hear it. But again, remember that I'm using headphones in order to talk to my phone, so the audio might not be as good as in real life. So let's just hear it to see if that transmits correctly with my recording setup. And I'll just bump up the volume. It's gonna be loud. All right, so after almost losing my hearing, because I have the speaker right in front of me, it's very loud. It's rugged. It has a carrying stripe, perfect to just put it in your backpack. It's a little bit on the heavy side. I'll say that this is probably, I don't know, like 2 pounds, something like that. Let me see if they have the information somewhere around here. 2 pounds and 73, 2.73, so almost 3 pounds. So a little bit on the heavy side, but this one carries a punch. So you don't have to worry about battery. You can charge your devices with it. You have easy controls in order to control it. And actually the design is as slick as you can get. So this one is a metallic mesh and it's built to last. So guys, this is the Bullfrog. Remember, if you get two, you can pair them together. Besides that, we have the range in the back, which is what we call now, I think before that, it used to call the big total shell speaker because of the shape of the speaker. And we have the calamari cable for all your cable needs in just in one. Kodiak Slim, 5,000 milliamps power bank. And the Orbit, which are Bluetooth over-the-ear headphones with noise canceling, perfect to ignore people. The Beacon, perfect for your headlamp, just a headlamp, perfect for camping, or if you want to give it to your dad and for him to stop yelling at you when you're holding the flashlight wrong, when he's attempting to fix something, that is the perfect solution for it. Remember that with the Orbit, you also get a wired gaming headset, because you can just wire it to your PS5 controller and you can actually talk to your teammates in the lobby because it does have a microphone. So guys, with that, I will leave you. I hope that the test, I'm gonna listen to it after I wrap up the video, just because I'm not entirely certain if the audio actually, transfers good, because it's playing from the speaker into my headset, from my headset into the smartphone. So it could be that the audio is not that great, but the volume was very good, very punching sound. So hopefully we can actually make a decision on this one and take it camping and try to, rock your world with it. So I'll leave you with that, guys. Hope you guys have a great day. If you like this type of content, remember to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. With that, we close up the Outdoor Tech new drip and new drop for all their products for this spring. So hope you guys grab some of these. Let me know what you think in the comments, if you like them, if you don't like them. Hopefully you do, right? And let me know if there is anything that I can help you with. If you guys have questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them. I do have the products right here in front of me, and I already tested them out. So hope you guys have a great week. I'll see you in the next time.